Hello friends, today we discuss characters of fungi. Table of contents are as introduction, thallus organization, different forms of mycelium, cell structure, nutrition, heterothalism and homothallism, and reproduction. Now, introduction. Fungi are cosmopolitan and occur in air, water, soil, and on plants and animals. They prefer to grow in warm and humid places, hence, we keep food in the refrigerator to prevent bacterial and fungal infestation. Thallus organization. Except some unicellular forms, yeasts and Syncytium, the fungal body is a thallus called mycelium. The mycelium is an interwoven mass of thread-like hyphae. Hypha is a singular and hyphae is a plural. Hyphae may be septate with cross-walled and aseptate means without cross-walled. Some fungi are dimorphic, that forms as both unicellular and mycelial forms. Example, Candida albicans. Now, different forms of mycelium. First of all, Planctenchyma means fungal tissue. In a fungal mycelium, hyphae organized loosely or compactly woven to form a tissue called Planctenchyma. It's of two types. First, Prosenchyma or Prosoplanctenchyma. In this type of fungal tissue, hyphae are loosely interwoven, lying more or less parallel to each other. Second, Pseudoparenchyma or Paraplanctenchyma. In these fungal tissue, hyphae are compactly interwoven, looking like a parenchyma in cross section. Now, Sclerotia. Sclereos, a Greek word, means head. There are hard dormant bodies consist of compact hyphae protected by external thickened hyphae. Each sclerotium germinates into a mycelium on return of favorable condition. Example, penicillium. Now, rhizomorphs. Rhizomorphs are root-like compactly interwoven hyphae with distinct growing tip. They help in absorption and perennation. Perennation means to tide over the unfavorable periods. Example, Armillaria malea. Now, cell structure. Fungal cell wall composed of chitin. In primitive fungi, true cellulose with or without chitin found. Plasmalemma bears occasional coiled ingrowths called lomasomes, which lie below cell wall. Cytoplasm contains organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi bodies, etc., and inclusions such as stored foods, pigments, and secretory granules. The cytoplasm at hyphal tip contains Golgi vesicles known as chytosomes, which filled with cell wall materials. Nucleus and mitochondria are found to connect with endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus divides by intracellular mitosis called karyochoresis, where nuclear envelope remain intact during nuclear division and internal spindle develops. Reserve food is glycogen and oil. Now, nutrition in fungi. The fungi lack chlorophyll, hence they cannot synthesize their one food. Depending on from where and how they get nutrition, fungi are of following types. First, saprotrophs. Saprotrophs obtain food from dead and decaying organic material. They secrete digesting enzymes to outside which digest the substratum and then absorb nutrients. Example, Mucor, Agaricus and Rhizopus, which is known as bread mold. Parasitic mode of nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, fungi obtain food from living organisms. They may be facultative or obligate. Facultative parasites grow on a variety of tissues and often cause soft rot of the tissue. Example, Astilago. The obligate parasites absorb through specialized osturia. The parasitic fungi that grow on surface of host cells and absorb food through osturia are known as ectoparasites or ectophytic parasites. Example, Mucor and Erysipeae. When parasitic fungi grow inside the host tissue are called endoparasites or endophytic parasites such as Pythium and Puccinia. Now, predaceous type of fungi. Some soil fungi develop ring-like noses to trap annelids, nematodes, etc. Next, symbiotic fungi. Symbiotic fungi live in mutualistic relationship with another organism by which both are benefited. The two common examples are lichens and mycorrhiza. Lichens are symbiotic associations between fungi and algae. The fungal partner is a member of Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes that provides water and nutrients, while the algal partner is green alga or cyanobacteria that prepares food by photosynthesis. Mycorrhizas or mycorrhizae are the mutualistic symbiotic association between soil fungi and the roots of higher plants. According to the carbohydrate theory given by Zachman in 1949, the plants that grow in soils deficient in phosphorus and nitrogen and high intensity develops mycorrhiza. The two most common types of mycorrhiza are the ectomycorrhizas and endomycorrhizas. The two groups are differentiated by the fact that the hyphae of ectomycorrhizal fungi do not penetrate the cell wall of the plant's root cells, while the hyphae of herbuscular mycorrhizal fungi penetrate the cell wall. Now, heterothelism and homothelism. A. F. Blakeslee in 1904 discovered mating types or genetically distinct strains in Mucor. He called fungi with different mating types are called heterothelic and fungi without mating types are called homothelic. Nowadays, we call some fungi and alga homothelic if both male and female gametes produced in the same individual can fertilize each other, and heterothelic if the gametes can only be fertilized by gametes from another individual of the same species. Heterothelism introduces variations in the species. Now, reproduction in fungi. Like most other thallophytes, fungi also reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual means. However, asexual reproduction is generally predominant. Depending upon the involvement of the entire thallus or a part of it, the fungi may be holocarpic or eucarpic. Holocarpic, in this category of fungi, the entire thallus gets converted into one or more reproductive bodies. Hence, the vegetative and reproductive phase can never occur at the same time. Eucarpic. Most of the fungi are eucarpic. Here, only a part of the thallus is involved in the development of reproductive organs, and remaining thallus remains vegetative. In eukaryotic fungi, vegetative and reproductive phases exist at the same time. Now, mode of reproduction. First, vegetative reproduction. In this type of reproduction, a part of mycelium separates and forms a new individual. The various methods of vegetative reproduction are fragmentation, budding, fission, sclerotia, rhizomorphs, and oidea formation. In case of Rhizopus and Coprinus, the hyphae break up into numerous fragments called oidea, each of which give rise to a new mycelium. Now, asexual reproduction. It commonly occurs through spores, either motile or non-motile, and form in a specialized parts of mycelium. There are various types of spores such as zoospores, sporangiospores, conidia, oidea or orthospores, chlamydospores, gamma, ascospores, iridospores, basidospores, etc. Now, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves the formation and fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction found in all group of fungi except Deuteromycetes or fungi imperfecti. Sexual reproduction has three distinct phases, that is plasmogamy means protoplasmic fusion, karyogamy means fusion of nuclei, and meiosis means reduction division of zygote. The various methods of sexual reproduction in fungi are as follows. First, planogametic copulation. This is simplest type of sexual reproduction. In this process, fusion of two gametes of opposite sex or strains takes place where one or both of the fusing gametes are motile or flagellated. It results in the formation of a diploid zygote. Planogametic copulation process is usually of three types: isogamy, heterogamy. First, isogamy. In this process, fusing gametes are morphologically similar and motile, but physiologically dissimilar. These gametes are produced by different parents, example Syncytium. Now, heterogamy. When the fusing gametes are morphologically as well as physiologically different, the process is known as heterogamy. Heterogamous reproduction is of two types, anisogamy and oogamy. Anisogamy consists of the fusion of two motile gametes where the male gamete is small and more active as compared to female gamete. Example, Allomyces. In oogamy, the motile male gamete, that is known as antherzoid, fuses with the large non-motile female gamete known as egg or ovum. Example, Monoblepharis or Syncytium. Gametangial contact. In this process, two gametangia of opposite sex come in contact with one another. The male gametangium or antheridium transfer male nuclei or gamete into the female gametangium or oogonium either through a pore at the point of contact or through a fertilization tube. Example, Phytophthora, Sphaerothera, Albugo, Pythium, etc. Third one, gametangial copulation. It involves the fusion of entire contents of two gametangia to form a common cell called zygote or zygospore. Example, Mucor and Rhizopus. Spermatization. Some fungi produce many minute spore-like single-celled structures called spermatia or non-motile gametes. These structures are transferred through agencies like water, wind and insects to either special receptive hyphae or trichogyny of Ascogonium. The contents migrate into receptive structure. Thus, dikaryotic condition is established. Example, Puccinia. Now last one is somatogamy. This takes place in fungi where formation of gametes is absent. In such fungi, anastomosis takes place between hyphae and their somatic cell fuse to produce dikaryotic cells. Example, Agaricus, Paniophora, etc. Thank you.